Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.